If you don't know anything about health insurance, watch this video till the end. Even if you are going to buy the health insurance plan from any company, wait, just watch this video because this video is going to give you a very important information that is going to help you a lot. Okay, so let's understand first of all the fundamental of the health insurance mean complete health insurance terminology. Hello guys, I hope you are doing well enough in your life. Without wasting your precious time, let's get to know about this. So let's discuss one by one very common words that the health insurance agent use. Okay, and you even don't know what he is using. So sometimes it is very difficult to understand the language of the agent, even if the agent gives you the proposal form. You even don't know what is the meaning actually is there, right? So let's go and discuss it. First of all, you heard the name of deductible, which means the amount you pay first before the insurer means the company pays the remaining bill. Okay. Another one is co-payment, which also called co-pay. Okay. A fixed portion of the bill. Remember, a fixed portion of the bill you have to pay like 10%, 20%, and the rest is paid by the insurance. Simple. Another one is pre-existing disease. You know this. Any illness or condition that you had before buying the insurance policy, it is called a pre-existing disease, like a diabetic, asthma, okay, cancer, something else. Another one is network hospital. Okay, you have to check out how many hospitals registered under the specific company. So a hospital that has a tie-up, okay, that has a tie-up means they have the collaboration with the insurance company to provide cashless treatment. Okay. Now you heard the name of cashless facility. What is the meaning of cashless? Hospital, cashless payment. The treatment where the insurance company pays directly to the hospital. Simple. The company is not going to pay to you. Okay. The company will pay to the hospital. So it is going to be directly transferred to the hospital bank account. You don't need to pay upfront. Okay. Reimbursement claim. Let's understand what is reimbursement. You pay for the hospital bills. Okay. And the later the insurance company refund the amount. So first of all, if you like pay something else, the bill, if I'm talking about, the insurance company will refund you. Another one is daycare procedure. Treatment that don't need 24 hours admissions, like contract surgery, but are still covered. Okay, like daycare, I can see say like syringe, something else, gloves, like okay. So you can understand that. Inpatient hospitalization, IPH, treatment that requires staying in the hospital for more than 24 hours. Another outpatient treatment, which means OPD, okay, OPD, outpatient treatment, consultation checkups, tests that do not require hospital admission. OPD means the consultation fees, the checkups, the medicine, okay, but doesn't require to hospitalize, okay. Another one is floater policy, a single policy that covers multiple family members like husband, wife, kids with one sum assured. It is called a floater policy. Okay. The premium is going to be increased on also that. Okay. Top up an additional amount, an additional policy that covers expenses beyond a certain limit. Useful when your base policy is not enough. So top up means the additional amount which you pay to the company. Okay, just like like adding a rider, something else. Okay, or to increase the sum assured of the policy that you are already having. Sub limit, a fixed limit on certain expense like doctor's fees, ambulance, or specific treatment. It is called a sub limit. Maternity cover, okay, covers pregnancy and delivery related expenses. usually comes with a waiting period. Okay, so you have to carefully check out the policy paper before buying the policy, especially for the female. Okay, exclusion, which means something that doesn't include in your policy. Okay, medical conditions, treatment, or situation that the insurance does not cover, just like cosmetic surgery, injuries from adventure sports, etc. Okay, another one is medical underwriting. It is a team. Okay, always remember underwriting. It is a team. So process where the insurer checks your medical history before issuing a policy. So when you buy a policy, you first of all get the proposal form. So proposal form goes under the medical underwriting team. Okay, so it checks whether any issue on your policy, if you are having any problem or not. So this department will check out. Another one is claim settlement ratio, CSR, which is more important. Percentage of claims that a company successfully settles. Higher is better. Always remember. TPA, third party administrator, which means a company that helps with a claim processing and coordination between the hospital and the insurance company. So it is a third party, okay, that will help you to give the claim, okay, the amount to the hospital also, okay. Another one is IRDAI, okay, IRDAI, which is a regulatory, okay, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, the government body that regulates insurance companies in the India. So if you are buying the insurance in Niva Bhupa, Apollo, so it means the IRDAI is actually making the company to perform the insurance, okay, industry in India. No claim bonus, NCB, which means it is a reward, to be honest, okay, like extra sum assured or discount on premium for not making any claims during a policy year. Let's suppose you took a policy for 2 years. During the 2 years, you did not claim anything else. Automatically, you will get the no claim bonus, which can be increase your sum assured or like premium will be decreased. Claim intimation. Okay, you or the hospital must inform the insurer, means the company, as soon as the possible about your admission or treatment. So claim intimation should be there, okay, before going to the bed of the hospital. Okay, if you like this video, if you understand anything else about insurance, must subscribe our channel and do share our video. Take care, have a great day.